morning, our dear viewers. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you're watching us from. I welcome you to today's podcast, episode of Panelin's podcast. Shalelo lundi nabarere mwimbuye kamazanyalazi. Mwimbuye halango muhasaru fure mu masaba owamba Eastern. Wale hilotinyize masaba wasireando. Rahuti msa Eastern imbuka yo safa muhanayiro. Nimwa simbare yani kimenye neki ku trending embuka inga wahu kimanya. Akola video first class. Sikolewela aba Godfather ni yatkola mu Uganda. Bireba chokolari. Ashalelo kwa murerere ngechi kubanjula kulo shimurereta. Hanyone yanjule mu mmanye basi. Kutandikira bwino kwa kanye mai.
Papa wa menorie no mkosi.
Panelin's podcast.
Nasimire na bihunsha saholundi runa hulesha lero.
Yes.
Good morning viewers, good afternoon, good evening. I hope you're doing well wherever you are watching us from.
Yes,
This is your girl Judith Wemesa. Era runa hulesha lero rundi na meeting ro mukuluyu omukugumubye kamahuwa asoloza basoloza ta ayima bayimata ateniye byose akani habyose nabiba bitu.
Yes.
Mwanyara nabihukirehereza byose sana mwabanga mwetsira hano runa hulesha lero hubanga mwaya honi na Judith Wemesa umunamwenya wenye hukwama mu nyingitse masaba.
Yes, welcome on board. Judith Wemesa ngano kutandika last time isikobelana and just the more kwabona who are you, background yo babiramo byose ngawachenda your life from where you started up to where you are right now. From there wahubolora in project so there. Project just wahubolera ni project so just of recent some 3 weeks 2 weeks back. Which is doing very well. YouTube ya hyping ile nacho.
My dear, mbo inshire ndi surprise because abesi holaska hukumwenya in 2 weeks naba mu 1k views ta and by the time I get those views imbabe nare mo kamani kama kali by this time round kumwenya kasa kuba kumulai I think kumwene kuichende sabuso so kumwenya kwange kumushaha bakulanga bari kuitale mbembelemo
ngana kwishiyonge.
Sweet baby, it's a no whitale. It's a whitale. Sweet baby, it's a no whitale. It's a whitale. Musale, it's a no whitale. It's a whitale. Panelin's, it's a no whitale. Yes, that is the new song from me, Judith Wemesa, to you. If you have your loved one, umenya ko kuli self-explanatory wengo musanuli muhaye. Wera habusa kumenya ko sindihire girlfriend wo. Amanye busari umulebwa seyo. Akana kutse ukoleshi.
Briefly, kwa milabwe neho kwa mahobona okola music wa kisoboi. Yo musa no kucha muhasi wa byo byawa wakola kumasanyalazi
nako kawa
alkwabona witso kuitali ayiholo mehori bya heartbreak byawe bye kamazanyalazi bya arwabolo mo roba switching over kumulaza.
By the way umundu ngali mu heartbreak sometimes nikimenya kirura nawo kiwulira bose nengo umundu ngali mu love ere ibindu bikola byonyene era ngombo norimbo ne hango umundu uri mu love namwe nabi ari naloba inahulomendi heartbreak still unemba ngena kubolera mi sendu mwembi we categories baranga bari edutainment niyo no mundu wembe shindu shisomesa oba either shimamba kusamwene oba shamba kumundu kundi oba sinawule oba script nyene bawulire so sometimes ishirishira ikuba husaidi ndwera yonyene yehulira tana hahubo kesande na sometimes zingo muna mwenya wenyemba ho mu love.
That's it. Ariwo hamanyiro kwitale cya YouTube imbukai wandi yamushigambo Judith Wemesa. Lolo masaba lolo wani hukani horo bakusuba holo menga. Ngano wandi hajudi so wandi WE nyene liza kuisanga achibara kwitale. Ubone kumwenya. Briefly kumwenya kwa kanisa abandu bwangu. Kunyo hutandika production ya audio na utiyo videography. Audio mochi holoria.
Audio na mochi holere Kenya. The other time I told you that I'm in Kenya.
Yes.
Era na holere ngo audio.
Yes.
Era ngo wawuliye audio yo manyoro, it is not the usual audio here of Mbale. Aringa namale hukola audio with we removed it from Kenya Hwachire Kampala to Herbert Skills for mastering. You know, so when Herbert Skills on a wire on a hey, Herbert Skills are who it's a who Nyola and who Hamani so Herbert Skills from Kampala, new mastering Rabare, new mastering
almost every big artist, every big song in Uganda.
Hit Quabrium Honacho Musole. So is the one who mastered. Then of course Traffic Films as usual, new Awambile video. That song I did it with a Congolese. He's called Eskevo. He's a big musician from Congo.
Yes.
That musician there, Nabanati, Kenya who call music. No layo. Of course that song we did it at night. Na waba wamale hura ambachi milimochewe arambire Kenya yo.
Yes.
We some studio. I didn't get some studio.
Yes.
Vibe ya holash ya muwamba. I love you mototo. Bichi. Na reba producer Brigo Beats na mandi. Mulebe ya mirawa. This one is a Congoli na Congoli from where? Ari Congoli bamulanga bari Capricorn binana na okay ndi halahole kumwenya kwa alomari anza msemu capital city yefe Kampala ambire mu capital city yawe wapi Kinshasa nikutowe Kampala nikupereke Kinshasa samwa city toko boti kitoko
hagango
mama
ahore abantu TikTok
musani ngimba musani ngashina era big up Eskevo wherever you are.
Yes.
Waba vixi numlai, but unfortunately sa understanding galu chesu sa understanding galu zungu nibo mukongo basuma mulu Faransa ate bamala bakani haluna lingala so but I will bring him here one time akani heluli ngala ngesengu holela interpretation
yeah, as we continue video wakani audio hapo ne bulisho singa wachenda ko video mo kani hawalo mo Traffic Films
yes, from Kampala
we shooting the video kuleba na video nga yobone hotoria mu UK boy yeah before we made you mujibala mbiliwa
erange ngobona ni kwe ngaho ngobona hwembelera huri shirimo bibindu biyangisa babandu fefe bamasaba huri ni bifana no byese babandu bashiri kubonata you can imagine video yo nachiholere mbali in Masabala Mbale City yes Mbale City yes
senior quarters
ati kwaholera abusayingo wo mundu kwaholera abusengo wo mundu one time you Uganda talk to that person there ninga shifo shoshe simanyire ndi Traffic Films umwene niyo washifuna I don't say that they charged us because bulisi kuholera video bahu charging but that place was given to us by a good Samaritan una yo wagira kimenya che bamasaba so nasi malu kalishifo shabu ni habula that's someone who's home by the way
amanyeha
yingo wo mundu hurusaho ipishipishi kwa chamisa mu company we hired it but the place itself then kwatsa mu Abra supermarket isubona hana yuhari wo restaurant haba mu Abra supermarket then kwamala kwaba huna Boa Road nga hokuche and that was yes
how has the abantu bo bari socials kwabone YouTube yukola doing very well
yeah
na social siramire ko koleria kumenya ko kokola
kumenya kukuhuchenda bula yabandu bakukanire everywhere ate ni balala bahupula busesi mu balum bari Judith you share with me that video abandi we want the audio I think the song is good the production is good the audio production is good the video production is also good enjeri kumenya kukwabire mu mihono che babandu bana bakugu
yeah Good. Briefly, hii project ya kuitarenga ku Kirandolo. Kuni project ikindi su sabandu bachikana nabi. Ningi ofano tyoruwa kireherera. Kumunya kwe bahana bari babeke bi.
Bahana hwabeko bweni fabenne hwereka. Bahana hwabeko bweni fabenne hwereka. Bahana hwabeko bweni fabenne hwereka. Bahana hwabeke byeni fabenne hwereka. kumenya ko nayembera babana bahana ba miliyu be bamasabalani muhwamirera lene bukisu kwasonga paka ikenyewe feyoyo bahana bamasaba mwesi sana buluwa bekobweni wereka that song is for you erenye ba tiktokers mwesi sanengana mungolere challenge mumwenya kuno bahana hwabekobweni because if you know that you're beautiful kumenya kukuli kukowo ede sense ubire ndi season yembalusi itsakolera kumenya kukuli huza hubanga kufura ho kukwa hupamatai kubangere fe bahasini fe hutera huchesa music and I'm very sure that since this time round nembeye bahana kumenya kubatsira mera is going to be a very good piece
kumenya ku ukuholore because wabone kuli mukadudi mukali ate muzuni yakadudi ukuholore production yako nawe yitseri ne kulosha boti ofana otirwa kwa bando ni kuleba kwamenyelewo Whereas project chienda nikukuliwa.
Not really. I've never abandoned that song because you know a good song moves by itself. Kumenyanga kulikumlaita niko kwese ba pushing na kumenyanga kumlai kui pushing ba hanu habe kobweni na be na bumariyombo na baho kwembesa na be bwala sinabu na baho kwembesa na mnyandi ko already kwa holeshi na kwa waambire elabo wahasiye bushenda abo wahasa waye no nyola ba hanu habe kobweni nga kwa waambire fire. So ari kumenya kuku na ku abandoning ngati kumenya kuku audio production was made by Agape Productions. Yes. Agape abinama huiserve you in fact abinama hola kumenya ko wambuya. So bwasha wangu pele simu anamna there is a guy in Busiu there who can do a song. Nalmandi ne bwasha na senza kwemba mwenyashi nalmandi nandi kanwa kwembalu nane nemba mwenyashi basi niyo nonarusa bahana hwabeko bweni pabende wereka bwashawara marisoke irango uli aliko nolinyowa hey ayo bwasha niyo ahola shina niyo aho haniri iko nolyo so kumenya ko nakuholera Agape soon kene mbenge aikola poni ladies isu umuhana yefsa no masabo uyiwulira arwa miliya kukana hole video nyaliso uko kesa shiba lahuri ibu masaba kuliyo ni ba waliyo muhanu wabere hu TikTok ho wajerega arimba rediyo bahana bara iriyo bahana ba miliyo binana ndiho kana bahana ba masaba mumwisinga kamezi mwarerangese muri
bese muhole video
mwise hukole video ndafinyen kubokese kuri bahana hwabeko bwene rastiro kwa holashira nyaramwandi ya through Panrens.
Yes.
Or better, you can go to my social handle,
Judith
Wemesa official, who TikTok or who YouTube. Nichimikuto chosi sana.
Commenting, I'm interested.
I am interested, yes. Kasoma sorry, I am interested. Then you drop the number. Obo nyawi ambisa koni ha video ngo huko kesa heavy and bionga ni befana. Then we do a great video of this song. Nyaso huko kesa shiva lasho sana huri buchisu. Ibu masab huri mibaha na banana ba miliyo.
So kumenya wakwikuye bushaha
kumenya nakwikuye bushaha ngana luna hulwe hutse mtoto lusaholanga shamekere.
Yes bas ngaushiyonga no mwimbi wefe we halango umwimbi uli hamasanya la Judith Wemesa ari niyo ho represent gabahase masaba atini aro mwimbi uli ho nga audio ni video sinyense mikani helekana kunyinyola na apita wengo handisa so when the video say omalo comparing it to bavani zari for hands ni nawe uchabusa bari ajuzi ya keyboard loading data kusimu sio ku YouTube bolomoro
Judith Wemesa
ngabone vivye we masoli ni byo mundu ko ili singa ushiyongera briefly project so kuongeza namwe utakusimama kumaha kuleba previous interview akolomoro kumaha kubasubile bikali bintu shinangese bakusubira abaweho kwitale ari wamo basubizoru kumenya ko naye kuzo shooting a video kwe bahana ari basubile shine.
I have another song production. I did it from Jam Records. Kulini Traffic Films. He's finalizing the video and I think Mumbuke Hadia later it is going to drop soon. It is an introduction song. Ngabache ni balukwitsa. It's a welcome song for Bukwale. Bache ni besi hulindire bolele bacheni besi hulindire DJ Sabula kumwenya bacheni besi hulindire bolele ne bacheni besi hulindire shalelo lwe kamaiya. So that song
ariwa halaoro rusire buli bandu
kumwenya koko kwa introduction era ndi husoberande bookings, of course, even right now they book me. Booking gali zona vere moni kwa hena misindwa kwa hoebusi kwembera hoba politician kwemba ho concert. Era people are continuing to do what? To support and book me. Erenga na husimderera bakasoma abange abashimanyira abari never disappoint for me once someone has given me his or her money. I participate fully. Erenga na huba sema luka lina abibali husa mumoninga mpromotinga Judith Wemesa. So kumwenya kuno kuli husa huru randi video yayo kumwenya fanhani huitale urerata because this time round harambise technology yanga chinapi era nako kuhusa hurura next week kunabanga kuli hale ku YouTube channel yange. Traffic Films is still finalizing with the video production. Now I have so many numbers which I have not yet released. I have a song with the Jam Records. It's about it's a love song.
Yes.
It's a love song. Nadale evasolerin babalu huinyuha babali musini yatu those ones. Baba kana hujanjawaza those ones I've done for them a song. I have a song with Wandeka wa mumanya mwene langa Judo Blacks. Wandeka embare ari lwenguche ero uchenda nalo. That song is about rutsa huamba who girlfriend wa kuleha wato wa kwali then wakobola. Then for you said that wande how wato kwali ha na huisonyo na ru wakoboye ndi hukana hukoleshin huisaneyo. That is it. Then I have another song about Wangoya Sekubula. I'm talking about my co-wife.
Yes.
To come back and take care of her children. Humenye ni naye munzu mutwera hulinde baba na befe basowe bunana bulai. Then I also have a song about love. I love you so much. Even if I am abroad, I can fly over and I take a flight, just come and say hi to you. Then I go back. Then I also have another number with a Kenyan. He's called Yolo. Erako. Iko ni mukulindira laba masaba kubanga kuli mu Luzungu mu Luganda ni lumasaba olwese fiti with some little Swahili. Then I also I have so many songs.
Project
sifura vokali na holele Kenya ndiyo ni project ngatsirano. I even have a gospel song. I have a gospel song which I will release in December. So I'm telling you that imbukani yeso limiting because I've been already who na manager Salma will release after every 2 months. After every 2 months we release. After every 2 months nga releasing. So you have to know that all of those songs are still in the kitchen, but it is dependent on you people to make sure that you push the current such that we can release what is remaining. And I'm telling you, it is good production. All these songs have been made from Kenya. I have some 2 songs with Ayo Sounds, producer Damji, and all those songs are going to be mastered by Herbert Skills because in Ganahuru sound like kubonyola chimenya che babandi ni chihupa uruyirayo kumwenya bari sound like I don't know what people are going to tell me this time around kubanga the sound engineer himself niyo who mastering. Yes, niyo who mastering chimenya change chose. So I want to see people who are going to say that music we gumasaba sound siriye kumulembet kubanga nga Herbert Skills wa mastering kumwenya sense of the kumwenya kwari kuba kwa berenga kola hutsa buliano era you are going to be seeing me on several platforms. I've been called upon by media houses. Anytime you are going to see me on Bukede TV, you are going to see me in newspapers, you are going to see me on NTV, you are going to see me on NBS, Open Gate already. I am trending, Ngawati Eligon, and so many radios in Eastern Uganda, Baba TV. So anytime from now, you are going to see me so much on social media platform and what and yes. So arindu hulo mbendi bale bemuyongero humbagire so mwana wenyewe ni wanire hubonendi mambabu masabambura hunana urochinji. Yes.
Mudanyare bari relationship shine ni Kisho Prince Traffic Films because habona video so ati ukolela kubusana mwara mwamba na busa whenever you call kubona Traffic Films amukola hombo kote rwaka makola music kwembala amuba expensive bembala arivo nari watse musawiye.
Yeah, of course I'm abandoning abana bembale because of the price. But as I told you, me I'm an investor. Me, I am a woman who has cash. So those who have money, Traffic Films is there to work for you. But if you don't have money, you go for other. We have so many film makers in Mbale. So Traffic Films, umundu wa mamsa Traffic Films is Inspector Jill. Aba rambir aholera Inspector Jill. I think Inspector Jill na iwamu connecting houses. So I am one person who believes in equality.
Yes.
So after rusere hape sanongolere shindu shira ishaminyisa nuno mori imbe no mitwala 5, then I give you 500 undu surebindu birebire. I better pay 4M, I pay 5M, I pay 10M neshindu shakola sharanga nicho shene
bandu basi. Briefly kumenya ko estimate ku promoting
kuitale
arenga kuitale ko
kumenya kuitale
transport iswara musi Kenya kukola kwati Kampala wa habari skills video yo season
roughly nyana lumandi kuitale yu anyaba wa India like 6 million anyaba wa India 6 million because audio production alone I paid 800,000 in Kenya, but I paid in Kenyan money. Then when you come to mastering Herbert skills, you know when I talk about Herbert skills. Because we had to travel to Kampala, book where we were supposed to sleep. We spent like 3 to 4 days in Kampala. And to make matters worse, we did not even see Herbert skills. Then we had to drop our truck. Then we stayed for 2 weeks. That's when he told us that our work was done. Then we went and picked. So from there, all those are expenses. Then we had to call Traffic Films. Of course, we did not hire. We did not hire. If I said that I hired, Mbana already this service to people who want to support us. Mundu yaba busani kama hakewe kama lai na iwahola contribution kanubo no rumundu kanisirabe buchisuna fe hukoleshi na hubenga kwa mamoba masabu. So we did not hire the place. Actually bahu tehlani video wadia bahu savinga bula yi bahu wa dressing room bahu wa bulishindu shows itana. Even the vehicle you see in the background, but they offered. The only thing we hired, I told you, is the motorcycle from Malaba. Ninga bira mire vyosana ba huwa for free. So ishindisha hukostinga costumes, bie hukwara, makeup, litsune, transportation, bie huria ngubo lendi video chindu kwachikolera mu Abra supermarket. Abra supermarket kwa sababu kwa kula pizza yefe ni juice wadia then ba kwa kola shots from there. Nenga bibira mire byose sanasinyana mahondi shahu costinga. Then after patenga hamalire who shootinga we went and kwa nyumira hobunana ula so roughly 6 million.
6 million. Ariko manya we okala mundu chimenya chesa akala mu videos bili muna sibiro ramu yemuke.
Of course people want quality. if people want quality, you have to do what to make sure that na ureramera kama pesa kama kali. Era even promotion you have seen on social media who ambisa the video who are promotion who making sure who we popularize the song. Era still we are still incurring money, which is even I can say that even we are more than 6 million as I talk right now.
Okay. Ubona kumwenya ko YouTube ya organizing now because of what are that level. Manyo kumwenya babone bari quality. But that's an effort. That's how you appreciate good work. Arenga kwa mano kuri kumwenya kwefenga hakumali. Media houses akwa kaniye.
Yeah, media houses yakanira, and I am going to organize. We premiere the video and we let it know. We are as I'm talking to you. I have also social media platform. Meeting and able to make sure that I spread the gospel such that abantu bahiharayo bamenya bari bamasabana fe hulini quality things babanga bihala obusata. We need to publish ourselves and we for meyo khwiruse blafu abantu bamenye bari imbale nafe huliyoni babana bahana babali ni kamalobozi kamalaiki.
But therefore the injilisi YouTube yakanye kumenya ni injilisi TikTok kwa kaniye. Yes, TikTok kane binamwa mwe naho kurayo TikTok.
TikTok ariwo manyore no TikTok yakani yeshinda.
Ona ku challenge sound wakolele. Sounding is trending.
Not all what glitters is what is gold. Ate babandu ba trending up. So manya logic behind it. By the way, for me, even if I got 2 likes, those are genuine likes.
Organic.
I am not that person who influences everything. I am one person who wants the things to move the way they are supposed to move. And that's what the TikTok account yange. If I get 10 likes, those are genuine likes. Obese niyo mundu mutoro hakana huko ameyo ni lagalaga ndishina tawe. But me I see if you have 1,000 views, if you have 10,000 views, it means that someone might not have given you a like nenga wa viewingire kumwenya ko. You see that? So for me, I don't blame people on TikTok because everyone has kubanga your video ndaleso nyawara yo mundakika busa you get 60,000 views and you also get 600 likes and miyabo yo kundikweso nyawara yo you get 10,000 views with 10 likes. You see that? You don't force people to do what they are supposed to do. So YouTube has welcomed me because it is looking at the sound engineer who mastered the song. And I know my people in Mbale, they are also going to cope up slowly. Kubanga babandu bembale bashiri kumanya bafura vokali aiba imanyira mu mahuwa kukeshiro who step. So music is also some people think that I am still new and yet nembahali na umla moves. So we shall take them at their own pace. Onafosinga abandu tawe.
So what is next?
What is next? Kumenya kwesi na mohu brand kulini Traffic Films director with film muni video gakurura then we launch and now we are also looking forward to having a concert. Yes, abantu bashiri kubonatska home visits abye kisutawe. Niyo concert the largest, the biggest niyo takuba abantu bafura vukali ate niyo iza kubanga stage ngebone hange stage yomwembi. I am one of the person who is going to make sure that in my concert, people are going to win money. As I told you, people are going to win money. You're going to win school fees. And so for me, I believe in giving. Because if people are giving you, you also have to do what? So I'm going to put promotions. I'm going to encourage especially the females to come up and display their talents. So I'm going to work with each one of you to make sure that this concert is a success. Yes.
Wanya, call for people, direct them how to find your new song.
My new song, Huitale, kuli hu YouTube channel yange Judith Wemesa. Just type in Judith Wemesa. Even if you just type Judith Judith W-E, the song will come. Huitale. Oh. You can also type in Huitale. Huitale is K-W-K. It is K-H-W-I-T-A-L-A. Huitale. And you will testify. You like, you comment, you share. you subscribe bamasabe ndikusa bandi hale munsutire yangachi nendi kubalakira ta abana bamayi bana bapapa
kubalakira ta abwene unisifana kwakami ku podcast yo no kulosha lero umasaba wese nesuli lukosi lufele lero mukuka wefa wangale nase nasimire lukali nabihunza mbasaho fo shira nanywe
era mbasibula ndi mwanya nabukumba hasera hano kubangingani hahesi muri
keep subscribing to our channel Paneris Podcast ni Judith Wemesa na subscribing ho to keep supporting the good art work manyana